Namaste. Welcome back to Tuk Tuk Tech. Pivot points are one of the most telemetry, yet powerful indicators used in technical analysis. CPR is the heartbeat of the indicator. At any given time, the range can be support or resistance. It can forecast trending or sideways price behavior, dictate the day's direction, or serve as an integral part of a trend. CPR indicator is not available on most of the trading platforms. However, you can use the CPR indicator and many more from tradingview.com. Once the account is created, click on any indices or any of your favorite stock script to open the chart. Click on the full featured chart. Once the chart is loaded, select the central pivot range by searching in the Indicator tab, as shown in the video. There are many versions of CPR indicator available on the website. However, use the next day CPR for better results. For quick access, add the indicator in the Favorites section. Once the indicator is added, go to Settings and make sure to change the settings as shown in the video. This is a one-time process, and changes will be saved in your profile. Backtest, and also use the indicator in your live charts. To get familiar with this indicator, you will be amazed to see how the stock prices react to pivot levels. As long as there is proper liquidity and volatility in the market, the pivots will work on any chart and time frame. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.